Cafreal is a flavorful and spicy dish from the Goan cuisine, and it was originally influenced by the Portuguese. This dish typically features chicken marinated in a green spice paste made from a blend of fresh coriander, green chilies, garlic, ginger, and various spices like cumin and cloves. The marinade includes vinegar, giving it a tangy flavor. Typically made with chicken, this is either grilled or fried, resulting in a rich aromatic dish. Cafreal is popular in Goa and is often served with rice, bread, or roasted potatoes. In this version, I will be making it with turkey. To make this special Cafreal masala, whole spices are roasted and then ground. Vinegar, turmeric, green chilies, garlic, ginger, and tamarind paste are added. Some of the coriander is added and it's processed. The rest of the coriander is also added together with water in between to grind this to a fine paste. This is your classic Cafreal masala. To make the brine, water is heated, sugar, salt, and aromatics are added and cooled down with more water. Vinegar and lime slices are added, and the turkey is immersed in this brine overnight. Once the brine is drained, the bird is slathered in the Cafreal masala and cooked in the oven. Let's start by making the Cafreal masala. I'm going to toast some whole spices, add 2 teaspoons of cumin, 2 teaspoons of cloves, 2 teaspoons of black peppercorns, 4 teaspoons of couscous or white poppy seeds, and 2 inches of cinnamon. Once this is toasted, I'm just going to allow it to cool and add it to my food processor. Next, I'm going to add in half a cup of coconut vinegar. Add 2 teaspoons of haldi or turmeric, 8 green chilies, 16 cloves of garlic, a 2-inch stick of ginger, and a 1-inch piece of tamarind that has been soaked in a quarter cup of water, or you can also just use 2 tablespoons of tamarind puree. I have 8 cups of coriander. I've reserved the stems and leaves and this has already been washed. I'm going to add the first cup into my food processor and I'm going to process it. Add in the rest of the coriander and also about a half cup of water to get it going. Add salt to taste and blend this together and keep it aside. To make the brine, heat up 1 liter of water and add 2 inches of cinnamon sticks, 1 teaspoon of peppercorns, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, a 2-inch piece of ginger that I've sliced, 4 cloves of garlic, and 3 green chilies. Now I'm going to add half a cup of salt and half a cup of sugar. Add in half a teaspoon of turmeric and mix this well together. To cool this down, I'm going to add in 3 liters of cool water. Once it's cooled down, I'm also going to add 2 to 3 slices of limes and a quarter cup of vinegar. And finally, 1 tablespoon of the prepared Cafreal masala. Mix this. Make sure to remove any turkey parts that are stuffed into the bird and submerge the bird in this brine. I've added the bird already into my container and I'm gently going to ladle in the brine first. And then I'm going to pour in the rest. I like to leave my turkey in the brine overnight for no more than 8 hours. Once the turkey has been brined, I'm just going to tip all of the liquid out. Allow the turkey to drain. Place the turkey in a roaster bottom side up and add some of the masala and spread it all over the bird. Flip this over and smear the top as well. I usually like to get an imperfect turkey. It's way cheaper just because it's not perfect, but in this case you can see the skin is torn, but it's really not going to matter. I will add some of the turkey parts, neck, liver and kidney, some veg to make a great gravy, carrots and mushroom. Cover this and cook this in a preheated 350-degree oven for the first 1.5 hours. Follow the turkey cooking guide. I will usually cook my turkey for about 4 hours for 7 kilos. After the first hour and a half, add more marinade and continue cooking this uncovered. And through the cooking process, continue adding marinade and also baste the turkey in its own juices. Serve this with fried potatoes and a reduced gravy. Enjoy.